Welcome back to Learn English with Confidence. In this episode, we will learn how to talk about shopping and buying things in English. Listen carefully, repeat after me, and improve your English step by step. 1. Common shopping phrases. Let's start with some common phrases used while shopping. Repeat after me. How much does this cost? Can I try this on? Do you have this in a different size? I'm just looking, thank you. Can I pay by credit card? Do you have any discounts? I'll take it, please. Can I get a receipt, please? Great. Now, let's learn how to ask and answer questions while shopping. 2. Asking for help in a store. Here's how you can ask for help in a store. Excuse me, do you have this in a medium size? Where can I find the shoe section? Can you help me find a gift? What's the best price you can offer? And here's how a shop assistant might respond. Yes, we have different sizes available. The shoe section is at the back of the store. Sure, what kind of gift are you looking for? This item is on sale for 20% off. 3. Practice conversation. Customer, excuse me, how much does this jacket cost? Shop assistant, it costs $50. Would you like to try it on? Customer, yes, do you have it in a smaller size? Shop assistant, yes, here's a small size. You can try it in the fitting room. Customer, thank you. Also, do you have any discounts today? Shop assistant, yes, there's a 10% discount on all jackets today. Customer, that's great. I'll take it. Shop assistant, perfect. Would you like to pay by cash or card? Customer, I'll pay by card. Shop assistant, here's your receipt. Have a great day. Customer, thank you, you too. Well done. Keep practicing these sentences until you feel confident. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment below. In the next episode, we'll learn how to talk about traveling and directions. See you soon.